Pina from Fashion Justice. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then welcome to my channel for the very first time. I'm all about posting videos on beauty and fashion because I simply want to inspire you to be the absolute best version of you that you can possibly be. So I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel for amazing tips and tricks every week. And I also hope that you consider checking out and following my Instagram account, LawyerPina147, because I post my daily outfits every single day, because I just love to have fun with my fashion, and I want to inspire you to do the same because I am a firm believer that when you look good on the outside, you just somehow feel better on the inside. And it's just part of our overall well-being. And so I want you to make sure that every day when you step out that door, you just put your very best self out there. And why wouldn't you? And for more glam fabulous tricks and inspiration, I hope that you consider following my second Instagram account, Glam by Pina, where I hope to add a little bit of glam and glitter into your life. So I just celebrated my 1-year YouTube anniversary, and my most popular video, believe it or not, was my review of the Tobacco Vanille Perfume by Tom Ford. I've been wearing this every day for years now, and it is by far my favorite, so I would encourage you to check out that video. It was so popular, I hit over 1,000 views, so thank you everybody, it means so much. And I just thought a year later it would be really interesting to just do a follow-up. Now, this is not a perfume review, but I thought it would be important to just talk about how to make sure that you're wearing your perfume properly and that you're storing it properly, because let's face it, they're so expensive, and you want to make sure that you are getting the most use out of them and that they last you as long as possible. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are storing your perfumes properly. That means they should not be exposed to sunlight. They should not be sitting in a room of a very high temperature. They need to be contained in, so I keep mine in the original box that they came in, because this way I'm able to protect it. If they do sit for a long time, and if they're exposed to sunlight, or you have them in a room that is a very high temperature, then they have the potential to go rancid. Now this is a 100 ml bottle. It's a pretty big bottle, so it's gonna last me a while, and so you want to make, and it's so expensive, so you've got to make sure that you are storing it properly. So how and where you wear your perfume is really critical. So you want to apply your perfume at your body pulse points. Now, your body pulse points are behind your ears, behind your neck, your wrist, and then, believe it or not, your belly button and the back of your knees. I basically do behind my ears and my wrist. And also, the way you're supposed to apply it is you're not supposed to rub, you're just supposed to just dab it, and that's it. Because if you rub it, you are bruising the molecules in the chemistry of the perfume, and you don't want to do that. So if you, the reason why you want to put it on the pulse points is because these are the points in your body that are warm. They're warm points, and they warm up during the day. And so during the day, as your body warms up, these are the points where you are going to be smelling the perfume, because it's going to come to the surface of your body and it's going to last. Make sure that your skin is not dry. It needs to be moisturized, because if you are applying perfume on skin that is dry, the perfume is just going to dry itself off. It's not going to last, and you're basically just wasting your perfume. So make sure before you put your perfume on, you don't have dry skin. You might want to use a moisturizer that doesn't have a smell to it, that's fragrance free. Otherwise, it might kind of conflict with your actual perfume. And I can tell you that this actually works, because I apply it behind my ears and on my my wrist, and I just simply dab it. And people tell me that they can smell me coming, believe it or not. So they say that I know when you're sitting in your office because I can actually smell you. And I've actually like been walking down the street and I've just had random strangers stop me and tell me that they can actually smell my perfume and what am I wearing. So it actually does work. I also think it's important to be able to pick a perfume that obviously you not only love, but that works with your body chemistry, because what might smell very nice on me and what works with my body chemistry might not work for somebody else. So if you pick the right fragrance and you follow these steps, then you are more than likely gonna be smelling wonderful all day long, and you will definitely get your money's worth. The one place you want to avoid spraying your perfume is your hair. And the reason for that is because perfume has alcohol. Alcohol is very drying for your hair. And so you don't want to do that. Now, perfume is meant to be worn on your skin, and that's where I would just stick to wearing it. Also, you tend to see people like just spraying it all over and then it goes on your clothes. Again, it's not meant to be sprayed on your clothes. It is meant for your skin, and some perfumes can actually stain your clothes. So if you wear it the right way and you pick a perfume that you love and that works for you, it will last all day. You will get your money's worth and you will enjoy it all day long, and the bottle will hopefully last you quite a long time, so you won't have to pick up a new bottle too often. So there you have it, a few tips and tricks on how to make sure your perfume lasts you all day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you will give it a thumbs up, and I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to be your most fabulous self every single day. Remember, life is short. Wear your best clothes, wear your best shoes, get out there, look fantastic, because it will go a long way to making you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week ahead, and I will see you here hopefully next week. Stay absolutely fabulous.